As an HOA property manager, this is the thing that you should be asking yourself if you are going to look to decorate a entranceway like this. So when you're decorating an entranceway like this, you need to think of a couple of things. One, can we get power? Two, how many entrances do we have? And three, what is our budget going to allow? Now, a lot of times, the budget's not going to allow them to do every single entrance at the same time. So maybe we'll do this entrance, and then every entrance has two areas. So then there's an area over there, and then we have this middle area in the island. So maybe this year we just do this entrance. Next year we do the next entrance. You know, sometimes HOAs have the budget that they can do the whole thing, but don't think that you have to do all of the entrances at once. Not all of the focal points of your HOA has to be done in the same year. Find a company that is willing to work with you and build your Christmas display as time goes on, and that you guys can budget for it. The second thing that I want to make sure that you guys are absolutely aware, and this goes to a lot of HOAs also that are not managed by a property management company. A property management company will always take care of this, but some that are self-managed don't always think to do this. Make sure that anyone that you hire absolutely must have insurance. General liability insurance, workers' comp insurance. If something happens on your property and the company is not insured, it goes back on you. Make sure that you guys are safe and protected when you hire somebody to do Christmas lights for your property. Follow us for more tips.